After a fresh installation of WordPress is complete, the next thing you might want to do is change how it looks. WordPress allows you to easily change templates or themes for your blog. Before you start browsing the internet for different themes though, it's worthwhile to have a general idea in mind of what you want your site to look like. When you start looking, there are so many to choose from, you can easily spend hours just on this, and you're better off spending your time later on where it's really going to pay off. I would say let the topic of your site guide the look of it. Based on what you're going to be writing about or publishing content on, have an idea of, for instance, would a vibrant or minimalist or clean look be most appropriate? What colours should be on the site? Do you want to have 2 or 3 columns, or maybe a magazine style? Do you want the blog to stretch with the browser window or be a fixed width so it stays the same regardless of the browser window size? Don't deliberate for too long on these things, but just have a rough idea of what you want. If this is your first blog, my advice is just go for a simple 2-column design with some colours that kind of match the subject. So, for example, if your blog is about gardening, green seems like an obvious idea. Okay, once you have a rough idea, you can begin searching. Now, some WordPress templates are only available to buy. If you find and fall in love with a WordPress template that is going to cost you, by all means buy it. Personally, I've never actually bought a WordPress theme, but that's not to say I wouldn't. The main reason, however, that I've never bought a theme is that there are simply hundreds of fantastic ones available for free. A fine place to start looking, of course, is simply to go to a search engine and search for free WordPress templates. So let's just quickly do that, and then I'll give you my preferred resource. Okay, when you do a search, straight away you can see lots of sites offering free themes. Just scroll down a bit. This one here is quite useful. If I just click on that. Okay. You can filter the templates by different things, like say 2 columns, green, like I suggested with a simple site about gardening, and then you can show those. Okay, I tend to find the filtering system on this site not that effective because you can see they're not all green, probably not all 2 columns either, but it's worth having a look here. Okay, so if I just go back to the search results, let's go back up here near the top. This one here, which is smashingmagazine.com, this is a great resource I come back to again and again. They have all sorts of useful stuff on web design, including links to really high quality WordPress templates. So if I just click on this link, it's going to go straight to one of their posts. If I just go down to the right here, scroll down a bit. Oops. Okay. In the navigation, they've got their popular posts here. This is the post that's showing. They've also got this one. There's some more down here. Okay, so there's lots to browse through, and they're really, really good quality themes. Okay. So that's my tip for finding a good theme, is this website. Now, as you click through, you can sometimes get broken links, and you find that you can't actually download the theme after all anymore, and things like that. But I'm sure on this website you'll find a very professional looking template that you'll be happy with. So once you've browsed through and chosen your template, here's how to install it. Firstly, you need to download the theme. Now I'm just going to scroll down, and I like the look of this lemon twist one, so I just want to click on the link there and go to their site. Okay, and I'm going to click on this link here. Save the file. And then what I need to do is unzip the file on my computer. If you need to get software to do this, you can see my video on installing WordPress because I've explained it in that. Okay. Okay, here's the file I downloaded, so I'm just going to unzip that. Here's what I've got. So once you have the template unzipped onto your computer, like I have here, you need to connect to the server on which you have your blog post hosted and upload the files to a specific folder. So I'm going to do that, and just as when I installed WordPress, I'm going to use FileZilla for this. Again, I explained about FileZilla on my video about installing WordPress, so if you don't know about that or you need to get hold of it, quickly check it on that video. So open up FileZilla and enter your FTP details here, your username and your password given to you when you opened your web hosting account, and click connect. Okay. On the left panel, you need to navigate to where you downloaded your theme. I downloaded mine just to the desktop, and it's here. Okay. On the right, which is your server, you need to find the folder that you need to upload your theme to. So you go to this one here, public HTML, probably that on yours as well. This folder here, WP content. So you open that, then the themes folder. Okay, and then in there you've actually got the two standard ones that get installed straight away with a fresh installation. So you're going to add your theme to this one. So all you need to do is click and drag from the left hand side your new theme over to there, and then that will upload it into the themes folder. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, now when the process is finished, what you need to do is go to your blog and log in. So this is what the default installation looks like. Okay, so what you need to do is log in. Then on the menu, click the design link. You'll see the current theme, and then below the other available themes, including the one that we uploaded. So you click on that. It gives you a preview, and then in the top right here, click activate. Okay, so it should confirm that the new theme is activated. You can visit the site. And there you go. And that's it.